Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle logo in Canva. First, open Canva and select Create a Design to begin. Choose Custom Size and enter 500 pixels by 500 pixels for a perfect square canvas. This ensures your circular logo will fit well across various platforms. Starting with a blank template gives you complete creative freedom to design your brand's visual identity from scratch. Now, let's add the main circular element. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type circle and select a solid circle shape from the graphics options. Drag this circle onto your canvas. Adjust its size by dragging the corners, making it large enough to fill most of the 500 by 500 pixel canvas, but leave a small border for visual balance. Next, personalize your circle logo. Click on the circle and use the color picker in the toolbar to select your brand's primary color. Then, head over to the Text tab and choose a font that complements your brand. Type your logo's name or initials. To make it truly circular, use the Effects option for text and select Curve to wrap your text perfectly around the circle's edge. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and export your logo. Explore the Elements tab for small icons or graphics that can further represent your brand. Carefully align all elements, ensuring everything is perfectly centered within your circle. Once satisfied, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose PNG for the best quality and select transparent background if available, making your new circle logo versatile for all your branding needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.